Welcome back to another recipe. I hope you are all doing well. I am excited to bring this mock recipe from Taco Bell to you. It is super easy. It's a pretty inexpensive copycat recipe as well, so I'm excited to share it with you. And you need some flour tortillas. You can use the large size, but I wanted to do a smaller version of the recipe that I'm following, so I got the medium. You need mild cheese, but all they had at Walmart was medium cheese. You need a bag of this chicken fajitas chicken strips, and they need to be thawed. You are going to be using or heating these in a skillet. And last and final ingredient, I know, right, super low maintenance, is the Taco Bell chipotle sauce. Can you guess what we're making today? A mock chicken quesadilla. So let's get started. First things first, you want to start out with your thawed chicken fajita pieces, and you're going to chop these up into bite-sized pieces. Next up, after you've chopped all your chicken, you want to transfer it to your frying pan with a couple tablespoons of butter, and you're going to cook this about 6 to 8 minutes, and then we're going to add our next ingredient. Now we add our chipotle sauce. Add enough sauce to coat all of your chicken, and you want to simmer this for a few minutes so the sauce can get nice and hot with the chicken. The flavors will mesh together as well. In a second pan, I've heated this up about medium-high, sprayed it with non-stick, and you're going to place one of your flour tortillas in this pan. I'm going to add a layer of cheese, layer of chicken, more cheese, and you're going to flip the tortilla over just like that. Flip it and just brown it on both sides. All the ingredients inside are already hot. I know, seriously. Once it's browned, however brown you want it, however crispy you want it, pull it off of the pan once it's browned on both sides and plate it, and it's ready to eat. And there you have it, the copycat recipe for Taco Bell's chicken quesadillas. I hope you enjoyed this easy copycat recipe. These smell delicious, and check the description box also out for additional cooking links. I thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell.